Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I'm an official member of FOREX BD. Today I will talk to you about weekly analysis. This means that after the market is closed on Saturday and Sunday, the market will run continuously from Monday to Friday. By watching this video, you can learn about market movement in this week and you can learn market analysis. Last week we uploaded a video on weekly analysis after a long time. There are many positive comments from you and many may requested to share weekly analysis every week. Your comments are very valuable to us. So this week we came up with another analysis. And those who want to learn different strategies and analysis of Forex can watch this video. Here you will find awesome strategies of Forex. And I will request the well-wisher of FOREX BD, please subscribe. FOREX BD is another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you. And those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. The first pair of today's analysis is Euro USD, and now I'm in 30-minute time frame that you can see. In this pair, the market was downtrend at first for a long time. Then the market went up again with retest. So in this place, you can see that the market has created a pattern, then the market went down a lot. In the same way, the market has created a pattern here, and that is mini double top pattern. And you can see the market is down a bit, which means the market is downtrend right now. And since the mini double top pattern has created here and there is a resistance here, it's expected that the market will be on a downtrend next time. That means this pair will continue the downtrend as soon as the market open on Monday. Although the market may make some correction in the middle, but ultimately the market will go all the way downwards and there is a support zone. So hopefully the market will come to this point. So I say again, this pair is currently on a downtrend, so it can be expected that the market will continue the downtrend. Next, USD CHF. I am currently in this currency and here I am in H2 time frame. So to make it easier for you and to do the analysis in a short time, I have already done the analysis. Here you can see the market was in different channels at different times. As you can see in this place, the market has created a bearish pattern. So since the market is still in a channel, it's expected that the market will go up and down again with a retest. In other words, the market will be up to this point. Then the market is expected to be in a downtrend for a long time. And since there are support zone in different places, it's expected to make some correction while the market is in downtrend. Now the question that may come to your mind is, what is this pattern? If you want to know about this pattern or strategy, you can definitely let us know by commenting. FOREX video will definitely share videos on this topic if we receive your valuable request. Our next pair is GBP USD. I'm also analyzed this for you that you can see. Now I'm in 12-hour time frame. You can see here that the market first went down for a period of time, then market went up for a long time. Then again in a downtrend which is still prevailing at the present time. In this place you can see for yourself that the market was in a channel. So it was in this place when the market was closed on Friday. So if the market turned around and came to this point, then from here the market will go down again. This means that in this place you will get sell confirmation. I say again, our prediction is that the market will come up to this point and push down again and stay on the downtrend for a long time. The next pair is gold. That is XAU USD. In this pair, I am in 30-minute time frame. In the beginning, you can see that the market created a double top pattern. In other words, this pattern provides a signal to reversal in the market. Right after that, the market has created a double top reversal pattern in the same way. And soon after it was made, the market started to go downtrend. So from here, it can be said that the market will go down again with some correction. I'm saying saying again, once the market has created a double top pattern in this place, so our prediction is that the market will go down with some correction and will continue in the downtrend, because you can see a trend line in this place, and that's why the market will make some correction in this place and then it will go down again. Next, GBP USD. I'm in GBP USD and I'm in 6 hours time frame. Here you can see that the market was in one channel for a long time. Although the market created a small pattern in it, but ultimately the market was in a big channel. But the market was on uptrend. Then the market came to this point and continued the downtrend, and the market has created a pattern in this place, which is the bearish flag pattern. Although the market has not yet fully created this pattern, you will have to wait until the bearish flag pattern is created. Then if the market breaks out this trend line, you can safely take a sell entry. Now many may have questioned what is the bearish flag pattern. Those who are popular followers of FOREX BD must know about this pattern, because FOREX BD has already uploaded a video about this pattern. Those who don't know about this pattern must watch this video so that you can easily understand it, and this analysis will be of great benefit to you. I say again, you can take a sell entry only when the market breaks this trend line by creating a flag pattern. This means that our prediction is that if the market created a flag pattern and then breaks this trend line, then the market will continue to downtrend and stay in the downtrend for a long time. So viewers, I hope you understand this weekly analysis well. We make all these videos just to take your forex career forward, so that you can learn something from this video and then you can earn from forex. In order to make a good profit, you must trade in a good broker house, because there are many spread and fees in market maker broker house. We are suggesting some good broker. You must have an account of this from the link provided in the description of this video. First and best one of the good broker in the world with 0 pips spread and 100% return is IC Markets. Second best broker with strong platform TechMill. Third, fourth and fifth best broker house link are given in the description of this video. Create your account in all these forex broker together. Verify the account by submitting the same documents. These forex brokers are one of the best forex brokers we have seen. So open your account together with this broker and verify it, keeping in mind the future. Work on the one that will be verified fast. For account safety and to solve any problem in the future, it's necessary to have an account with strong reference. If you have any problem in future, FOREX BD will sincerely cooperate to solve it with sincerity. If you create Skrill and Nettler account through the link of FOREX BD, you can verify account without any deposit and you can get easily VIP status account. And for those who want to deposit in Forex through the bank, they should contact FOREX BD's WhatsApp number. In that case, of course, your account must be under the referral link of FOREX BD. So, of course, create account from the link given in the description so that FOREX BD can be part of your Forex career by your side. And if you want to know about any analysis or anything, then you can definitely let us know by commenting. FOREX BD will be by your side. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.